tell us how the machine works. So give us a show here.
Okay, so here's our new one that we just did the video on, pulled out of the box, ready to go. Now, we flash forward to one that's already hooked up. I have several of these myself. That's how great they are, one for travel, one for home. To turn it on, you can just touch the screen or turn on the faucet. Either one. Okay, it talks to you, so it's kind of cool. Or it doesn't talk back though. Maybe that's a good thing, right? All right, so you can select whatever water you want. 9.5, 8.5, 9.0, 7.0 clean water, the 6.0 beauty water, or 2.5 acidic. Okay. Also, turn the machine on like so. About the top. Okay, so essentially that's how our machine works. Now, say we go, as I mentioned before quickly on the video, if you haven't watched the video to how to do this, in settings, e-cleaning. That's the e-cleaning. E-cleaning instructions walks you right through it. Okay, the bottom, that's where your electrolysis water and or e-cleaning tank changes to that. That's how simple it is to clean your machine. Put the solution here, stick it in that thing, remove your filter with your other port, and it's done. Piece of cake. Oops. Back. I'm saying this all easy and I'm screwing up, right? Okay, that's essentially it. Power the machine on or turn on your water. Either one does that, and you're ready to rock and roll.